Well, today is the day to analyze the game like is football. There is no justice, and then in fact football is about opportunities and efficiency. If we pay attention in the numbers of the game, we played very better than Semarang, but in other hand, they play defensively, and then they enjoy the opportunities that they create. And even with good numbers in the game, we didn't have the condition to score. And then now we need to think about the game and start to plan the game against Persik.
Ini hari di mana apabila kalau kita lihat pertandingannya, di mana kita kuasai main. Sejak menit awal kita kuasai main, namun Dewi Fortuna belum berpihak kepada kita. Apa yang kita bisa bikin sekarang adalah bagaimana kita ambil pelajaran dari pertandingan ini dan siapkan lagi mental pemain, kesiapan pemain untuk hadapi laga di Jakarta lawan Persija.
Malam, kita sudah latihan jauh-jauh hari untuk mempersiapkan pertandingan hari ini, dan kita tadi sudah berjuang semaksimal mungkin, dan takdir memberikan kita kalah, dan kita akan semua akan evaluasi tentang pertandingan tadi dan akan lebih baik ke depannya. Terima kasih.
It's not the moment to find someone to blame. I think the club as institution, we need to make a review and analyze the things in a complex way. If I will blame somebody or some player, I will be not fair, because all the club, since the management until the coach staff and players, we are responsible. And then the moment is to understand that our situation is not too bad, but is not good. We are in the middle of the leaderboard, and we need to do something different as club to change the situation. Why we have to analyze why we are getting good results away, and when we play home we don't have the same performance. Like I said, that is I will not blame only one thing or only one person. Is the team, and then we need to find the solution to make difference in the next game here.
Ini bukan saat untuk menyalahkan siapapun, ya. Tidak perlu menyalahkan siapapun, termasuk pemain, ofisial, manajemen. Bukan saat yang tepat. Kita semua bertanggung jawab. Namun kita bukan akhir dari segalanya, di mana kita masih ada di papan tengah. Namun kita akan berusaha semaksimal mungkin supaya keluar dari kondisi seperti ini. Kita harus bangkit, dan kita akan persiapan semaksimal mungkin supaya laga berikut lebih baik.
To me, in the first 5 minutes we create 2 or 3 situations, and it's like this. If we enjoy the opportunities in the beginning, the game will change. And the point for today is about efficiency, because we had in the first half we had good situations from the side, good situations in the middle. We had many set pieces to enjoy, and in the end we failed as team. we didn't score. And then that's the point. We need to follow the efficiency that we are showing away. We need to reach this efficiency playing at home. I don't put the question like determination. I only think that is about the quality that we must improve and to enjoy the situations that we create during the game.
Oke guys, coach tidak begitu setuju karena di mana sejak menit awal kita udah kuasai main, kita udah tercipta banyak peluang melalui situasi permainan, peluang melalui set piece. Kita harus yang paling penting introspeksi adalah bagaimana kita harus lebih efisien memanfaatkan peluang yang ada, sehingga ketika kita lebih efisien dengan peluang yang ada, kondisi pasti akan lebih baik. Kenapa? Ketika kita ada peluang dan kita bisa mencetak gol, pasti tim akan lebih baik lagi dan lebih baik. Mungkin lebih efisien dalam peluang yang ada dan kita belum bisa memanfaatkan dengan baik.
To me, the question is, if we analyze just the results, I agree. But if we analyze the performance, how many chances we had during the game to score and we didn't enjoy, that's the point. And then I really can't say that we didn't play good. I think we had a good game, but not enough to win. That's the point. We need to enjoy opportunities. Today it was very clear to me. Because like I said, since the beginning, we create many situations. The Semarang goalkeeper did good saves during the game. But the important in football is put the ball inside the goal. That's the most important thing. Then today Semarang is enjoying the winning because they put in two or three opportunities that they had, they scored. Then I think, like I said before, we need to make a good analysis about the things that we are doing outside of the pitch and inside of the pitch. About support the team, support the players to give to us a better performance. But like I said, it's not totally. I not totally agree with you because I think we had opportunities to win, but like I said, there is no justice. We need to enjoy, and then today Semarang have a good lucky, and then they deserve to win. Yes, I want to think that I cannot justify with this, it's about focus, about concentration, do the things better, it's about performance. I have to analyze about this, and then what we can do, we need to work more, we need to train more, and then we need to find a way inside the team to find a solution for this.
Okay. Pertanyaan tadi kita lihat bukan saja masalah hasil di mana kita punya banyak peluang sekali dalam pertandingan, kita kuasai main, itu terbukti dengan beberapa save yang dilakukan oleh kiper Semarang, Namun mungkin Semarang dari mungkin 1-2 peluang dia bisa lebih baik sehingga dia bisa mencetak gol. Tapi kalau secara keseluruhan kita sudah bermain bagus. Memang mungkin kembali lagi coach bilang, mungkin kita harus lebih efisien, memanfaatkan peluang yang ada. Terus itu terjadi sangat itu terjadi mungkin di pihak kita di mana kita kehilangan konsentrasi. Kita sudah kuasai main sehingga kita terlalu fokus untuk mencetak gol sehingga kita lost konsentrasi, kehilangan fokus sehingga bisa dimanfaatkan oleh lawan. Itu saja, tapi kita akan berusaha supaya itu kita bisa atasi supaya kita depan lebih baik lagi.